Come on. Come on, you can do it.
This may surprise you, but I am not a big fan of Rush Limbaugh. However, if you're one of the people
You can do it.
who voted to making him go away, you are part of the problem. And ironically,
Come on, baby.
you're not even a problem
Come on, baby.
because you don't get free speech.
You can do it.
You're just a
Keep trying.
baby who can't stand to live in a world where you hear things that upset you.
That's right. Get your arms up.
Oh, you're not
Arms up.
alone. In much of Europe, denying the Holocaust.
Good job.
It shouldn't be. The French arrested an anti-Semitic comedian this week for his comments about the attack, which were vile. But opinions shouldn't be illegal.
Yeah.
Everyone can always come up with a reason why the thing that bugs you should get a waiver. But free speech only works if there are no waivers. No waivers, including for religion. Like, say you are, and I'm just picking a religion at random here.
Almost, baby. You're doing it. Keep going.
Uplifts you and inspires you, and you can't imagine your life
I know.
without it, or why everyone else doesn't love
I
it.
know it's frustrating.
Believe me, I get
You can do it. Keep going. Yeah. That's how you do it. Up like that. Good job.
But when someone criticizes we,
Good job.
good, well, for me.
You're doing good, Jackson.
And as a comedian,
Keep going.
I like it that jokes can hurt. I like it that
Hey, it's okay. You can do it. It's okay. It's okay, boo-boos.
winning. Kim Jong-un hates jokes, he doesn't get them, and he takes them too seriously. Which proves something I've always respected about him. He's a lesbian.
Jackson, it's okay. Okay. Okay.